Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Today is the last session together. So we are going to do an oral expression session to use all the vocabulary that we have seen along there. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Who can describe the picture? Arish.
In a family is a garden in a house.
The family star is in the garden of their house. Thank you. Who can describe Stella?
Stella and her friend playing a game.
Are playing a game. Good.
Mrs. Star and Susie read a book.
Mr. Star and Susie are reading a book. Good, Zainab. Who are you going to describe?
Grandma.
Grandma. Good. What is she doing, Grandma?
Grandma painting a beautiful picture.
Grandma is painting a beautiful picture. Good. Who can use another word that has the same meaning of painting? Raise your hands, please. Yes, Yasin.
Grandma is drawing a beautiful picture.
Thank you. What about Mr. Star? Who can describe Mr. Star? Raise your hands, please. Let's start with Mahmoud.
Mr. Star is happy.
Good. What is he wearing, Mr. Star? What is he wearing, Zainab?
He's wearing a gray t-shirt
Thank you. What else? What else, Sarah?
and black trousers
Good. What else? Emna?
and purple shoes.
And purple shoes. Why Mr. Star is smiling? Raise your hands, please. Yes, Zainab.
Because Grandpa taken a photo with him.
Thank you. Who can tell me where is Mr. Star? Yes, Kanda.
Mr. Star is next to the car.
Thank you.
They are enjoying the holiday. Today is a nice day. The people go to the park to have fun. The boy is wearing a yellow t-shirt and blue trousers. He is riding the orange bike.
Simon is playing football.
What is he wearing, Simon?
He is wearing a orange t-shirt and blue trousers and black shoes. The queen is wearing a long dress. It's yellow and pink. She has got the crown on the head. She is very beautiful.
It's morning. Grandpa is sleeping next to the tree. The boy is playing the guitar. The girl with blonde hair is swimming next to the boat. Her father is fishing.
Good.